Think Solid, the solid surface solution for your DIY benchtop projects. Think Solid modular 20mm benchtops are pre-finished and come with a protective film. To cut and install a waterfall end, you'll need these tools. Start by measuring the total length of your benchtop and mark your cut line where the benchtop will end and the waterfall panel will begin. Use a straight edge to guide your saw and cut steadily for a clean edge. Trim the surface to your desired height, then sand and polish to remove all sharp edges. Before installing your benchtop, reinforce your front rail if your cabinet are 800mm or greater. To install your benchtop, apply beads of silicone to the cabinet rails. Install your benchtop into place and secure firmly. Remove the protective film before joining. Now take the off-cut piece and rotate it vertically to form the waterfall end. Apply Sikaflex to the back of the waterfall end and insert 2mm packers under it. With masking tape, secure the waterfall end and let it cure for 24 hours. Wipe away any excess adhesive. Think Benchtops. DIY made easy.